Need to file your 1040 tax form online? pdfFiller makes it simple. Upload any IRS form, fill it out electronically, and store it securely, all in minutes. Let's walk through it. Form 1040 is your individual tax return. But depending on your situation, you may need additional schedules. Schedule A is for itemized deductions like mortgage interest and charitable donations. Schedule C reports income from self-employment or business activities. Schedule E covers rental income and royalties. Schedule SE calculates your self-employment tax. Schedule 8812 helps claim the additional child tax credit. And Form 1040EZ, now discontinued, was the simplified version for basic returns. Today, we'll show you how to complete Schedule A using pdfFiller. Start by entering your name, social security number, and filing status at the top. Next, enter your itemized deductions. Line 1 covers medical expenses. Line 5A is for state and local taxes. Line 8A handles mortgage interest. Use the text tool to fill each field with your amounts. Once complete, click Done to save. You can download, print, or store it securely in your pdfFiller account for IRS submission. Filing your 1040 tax form has never been easier. With pdfFiller, you save time, stay organized, and file with confidence. Start your free trial today and complete your taxes online in minutes.